Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with the Boxycharm base box unboxing. So this is the $25 box and it's supposed to be it's either $125 or $150 worth of product. I'm not exactly sure. So let's see what we got. We got the same card as we got in the Luxe box or the Premium box. So it is Boxycharm Adore is the theme this month, duh. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like the video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up on your way out. And if you're returning, welcome back. If you're wondering what is on my eyes, it is the Alter Ego Daydream palette. I just used it today for the first time actually. It's Sunday and I'm going out to brunch with my daughter and I was trying to hurry up and get through, and then I was like, oh, I have a few minutes, you're not here yet, let me hurry up and get this video done. So it went on really easy, blended out really nice. It's a really nice palette so far. I'm enjoying it. So the first thing I got, this was a choice item and I made the choice for the Ciate Somerville KX Active Concentrates Bio-Mimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm. That's what that is, and it is $98. It says it's formulated with highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. Okay. Next up, that was $98 if I didn't say. Next up is I got the Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Trio of brushes. These are $36. They look nice. The handles are really pretty. I think you could either have gotten these or the Luxie sponges. These little things are nice to keep in case you ever have to take your brushes anywhere and you want them to keep their shape. I've found them useful. So that's what we have here. This one is, does it say? This is a bronzer brush. And this says a complexion brush and a highlighter brush, a brightening brush. I would probably use that for highlighter. They feel really nice and they're really super soft. So glad I got those. $36. Next up is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. $22. So I don't use powders very often. Excuse you, you can have that. But coconut, I want to smell it. Their packaging is really cute. It's sealed and I don't have anything to unseal it without here, so I will have to wait. I will let you know in my review next month what I think. And that is $22. Then I got the Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara, and it says this is $23. It's an expensive mascara. Packaging's really pretty. So I'll be interested to try that and see how that is. And then the last item up here is by, I'm not sure if it's Qveen or Qveen Matte Liquid Lip Satin, and this is $17. There's the packaging, and it's a nice neutral color. What color is this? It's berry, I think. Is that what it says? Berry. Let's swatch it on my hand and see. Feels like a liquid lipstick. So that is the shade. It looks pretty. Hopefully I will like it. And that is gonna do it for my box this month. So we got a mascara, a brush set, a powder, a skincare item, and a lip. Pretty good. I think I'm happy with this box. This is a nice box, nice variety. And the total value for all of these items is $196. For 25 bucks. I think that's a really great deal. And I don't know if I told you that lipstick says it's $17, but I mean, This mascara alone is $23. So $2 more and you got all the other items. So I like this box. I think this is a nice one. So I hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button on your way out as well. And make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.